This is a circuit which we are going to use to study the VI characteristics of SCR. So here you can see this is a SCR having a 3 terminals: anode, cathode and gate. So what we will do first, we will check the reverse blocking state, that is the off state, then we will see the forward blocking state and the last conduction state. So here you can see this is a voltage across anode and cathode. Here we are going to give a power supply and we are going to measure a current. We will connect the multimeter to measure the IA anode current, and here we can check the voltage across anode cathode terminal. This is a gate terminal. So in case of conduction state, what we will do, we will connect the power supply of a 5 volt here to this is a VG, and we will give the gate signal or that a control signal to this SCR, so it will get triggered. Now we will see the actual connections of this circuit. So for this experiment, the equipments required are this circuit, that is a PCB to study the VI characteristics of SCR, then multimeter to check the current, that is the anode current IA, then we need 2 power supply, one for this VAK and another for this VG, that is a gate voltage. So we will use this multi-output linear DC power supply. Here you can see we can use multiple power supplies, 5 volt as well as 32 volt. This we can vary, and this we will connect across the gate terminal. So this will be the constant 5 volt supply, and we need a multimeter to check a voltage across this anode and cathode. So let's start with the connections. First we will perform reverse blocking state. So for that, what is the condition? Cathode terminal is connected to positive and anode is connected to negative. So see, this is a 32 volt DC supply, this is a positive terminal. So as discussed earlier, this positive terminal and this is a cathode. So I am connecting positive terminal to cathode side, and this negative terminal will be connected anode side. Now we will connect this multimeter across this IA to measure. So this common will go in the black, that is a negative polarity, and here positive. So I have connected this multimeter to measure the IA current. And to check the voltage across this anode cathode, I am connecting this multimeter across these 2 points. So here I have connected multimeter to anode cathode. So this is all about the configuration for the first state, that is a reverse blocking state. So as we have studied in theory, for the first reverse blocking state or forward blocking state, we are not going to supply this VG. We are not going to give the power supply to this VG. So I have not connected here. Now we will start the power supply and multimeter. So I have started it. I will select this 32 volt and initially you can see that it is a 0 volt across anode cathode voltage is also 0 volt and current is 0. Now I will go on increasing the voltage power supply. So here you can see I made it 2 volt. So the voltage across anode cathode is minus 0.19 and the current reading is minus 0.23. Now I will take few more readings. So as I go on increasing this voltage, so we can take the readings. This is a applied voltage which is positive 3 volt, but as we have reversed the polarities, we are getting the negative value for it. Are you getting it? Because we are operating it in the reverse blocking state, we are checking the first state. That's why even if the applied voltage is positive, we are getting the negative value. So this will be applied voltage and this will be your VAK, and this is the value for current, and this will be the value for current. So for the first few values there will be a small leakage current flowing in the reverse direction. So as we go on increasing this applied voltage, according to that the anode cathode voltage will also increase in reverse direction and the current will also increase in reverse direction. So in this way we can plot the reverse blocking characteristics of this SCR. Now for the forward blocking state I have reversed the polarities. Now I have connected the positive terminal of power supply to anode and negative terminal to cathode. So let's see, if I go on increasing, let me select 32 volt. If I go on increasing this applied voltage, so now you can see on multimeter it is in positive direction only. So this is a positive. Here before that it was a negative for the reverse state. So as I go on increasing this applied voltage, you can see current ratings. So I am increasing it. So what will happen if I go on increasing this value at a particular instant? The avalanche breakdown will occur and suddenly a large amount of current will start flowing through this circuit, but this is not desirable, otherwise this SCR will get damaged, right? So now what we will do, we will connect the VG, that is we will give a control signal, gate signal to this SCR to make this SCR to work in conduction state. Now to make this SCR to work in conduction state, we have given the same polarities, that is a positive terminal to anode and negative terminal to cathode. What we will do, this is the extension of forward blocking state. So in this case we are going to increase this voltage further. So you can see now all three readings. I have made the setup in such a way that you can see all three readings. So here you can see, as I go on increasing this voltage, the current will also increase and there will be a small voltage drop on, you can see on the multimeter, the value will be little less than this applied voltage. As we go on further increasing, the current value will also get increased, and at a certain value, if I give this gate current or gate control signal to the SCR, you just pay attention here. Currently its value is 1.38 microampere. So as I give this gate trigger to this SCR, suddenly the value became, have you observed that? Suddenly the value will get increased in case of this current IA and the SCR starts conducting. Getting it? So this is about the third state, that is a conduction state of SCR. To plot the graph, what we have to do, we have to take the 10 to 12 readings by changing this applied voltage, and we will see VAK across the anode and cathode on multimeter. So you can take a readings of VAK on this multimeter, applied voltage will be on this power supply, and you will get the current ratings on this multimeter. So you have to plot the characteristics, VI characteristics, that is the VAK anode to cathode voltage versus this anode current IA. For both characteristics, forward bias characteristics as well as reversed bias characteristics.